Hi guys, my name is Puneet Mittal and I have been pursuing my computer science from Thapar University, Patiala. In this summer training, I made my project on movie recommender system, and I worked there at Explore Labs. Due to the huge amount of information available online, the need of personalization and filtering system is growing permanently. As we know, earlier times we have a little less data. Nowadays we have a lot more set of data, and we are always confused which movie to watch and what we should watch. So therefore, recommender system have become universal feature of the World Wide Web today. Each site, Amazon, Myntra, they all make 30 to 70% of their sales via recommender system. Most websites from a form of recommendation system heighten their users' experience. Recommendation systems constitute a specific type of information filtering technique that attempt to present item according to the user preferences. In general, there exist two basic type of recommendation techniques, namely content-based filtering and collaborative filtering. Content-based filtering take out users' previous history and give recommendation, while collaborative filtering uses some algorithms of user preferences or item preferences to give you the recommendations. Now let me show you my code. This is my Python code which I will be running now. So this is my home page. Hello, welcome to Movie World. Here you have two options. One, you can search about movie, or you could get movie recommendations. When I click on search about movies, here I get options. This is just that I go to my database and I fetch the movies, first 10 movies according to their higher rating. These rating may change as the user add and their rating is always calculated. Like I click here animated, so I get the 10 animated movies with their rating arranged in a higher to low rating. Also I could try romance. Yeah. So similarly, in search by year, I could search movies by any year, like 1996 I go. These are the movies which were rated higher during 1996 by our users in my database. So another option is I could now to get recommendations. I click on get recommended. Here I have two options. If I am not a user, I could sign in, and if I am a user, I could sign up. So first let me show you if I am not a user. I click 1 2 3 4, password, gender, male, name. Okay. Successful, and close the window and sign in. So here what have we have signed in our database. I could show you my database. I am showing my database where I have all my tables. These all are my tables generated: movie ID, title, movie rating, title, genre, year, user password, user occupation. So whichever user now signed up, his data goes over there and information about him is fetched. So now get movie recommendation. I could sign in. So let me sign in for a user, like 1 2 3, password. So this is a little taking process. So I would like to explain about my algorithms used in the meanwhile. I have used collaborative filtering, in which we are the user. So when I sign up, I have to rate some movies, and the user, after that I calculate similarity between all the users and me, like maximum users that have seen the same movie that have been seen by me and rated that movie. So if I have not rated some movie, I will get recommendation based on the people that are most similar to me. Their rating will be calculated as the mean or the similarity between me and my rating. And this is user. Item is like all the movies are set according to their genre, year and other attributes, and which have the most common most similarity in between them. These similarities will be used to predict the rating of the movie which has not been rated and is similar to them. Also we could use content based filtering. Content based filtering will also be used. So here in the meantime my processing was going on. So here are the list of movies that have been recommended based on what the user's preferences. They were saved in my database. So what have I done? I have used KNN algorithm. In KNN algorithm I calculated the similarities and distances between. I had an initial training set where I know which class to which class my particular user belongs. So I divided them into classes. So when my testing data, I calculated distances of my user from each of the user, and the users with the most similarities were taken into account, and the movie rated by them were taken into account, and the movie not seen by me, that is the user that has signed in now, will be recommended to him, which are seen by them and are of higher rating. So this is my project. Thank you guys.